Hello friends, welcome to AgriUI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to conduct the entomology mock test number 2 on objective of agriculture by SR Kanthav book. This mock test is helpful for all the types of agricultural competitive exams. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Question number 16. Erie silkworm is rare on. The options are mulberry, castor, coconut and banana. The correct answer is option number 2. So the Erie silkworm is rare on castor. Then next question. The worker bee is. The options are drone, sterile male, sterile female and none of these. The correct answer is option number 3. So the worker bee is sterile female. Then next question. Following is one of the floral host plant recommended for apiary. The options are rangoon creeper, rose, jasmine and chrysanthemum. The correct answer is option number 2. So the rose is one of the floral host plant recommended for apiary. Then next question. One of the major insect enemy of honeybee is. The options are Vesa cincta, Galleria melonella, Acherontia stix and Formicaria rufa. The correct answer is option number 2. So one of the major insect enemy of honeybee is Galleria melonella. Then next question. Trichogramma parasitoid release is recommended for the management of. The options are Gangora thyrus, Etherigona socata, Chilo infus catalus and Holotrachea serrata. The correct answer is option number 3. So the Trichogramma parasitoid release is recommended for the management of Chilo infus catalus. The next question. The major predator of lac insect is. The options are Mantis religiosa, Eublema amabilis, Coccinella, Septum pennata and Chrysoperla carnea. The correct answer is option number 2. So the major predator of lac insect is Eublema amabilis. The next question. Which of the following laboratory host is used for the multiplication of egg parasitoids? The options are Spodoptera lutura, Chilopartylus, Corsaira cephalonica and Helicoverpa armigera. The correct answer is option number 3. So the Corsaira cephalonica is the laboratory host which is used for the multiplication of egg parasitoids. Then next question. Following is an example of Bt transgenic cotton. The options are Jayadhar, Varalakshmi, NH44 and Bolgard. So the correct answer is option number 4. So the Bolgard is an example of Bt transgenic cotton. The next question. An insecticide which is used as a seed treatment for sucking pest management is. The options are Diazinon, Imidacloprid, Indrine and Fenvalerate. The correct answer is option number 2. So an insecticide which is used as seed treatment for sucking pest management is Imidacloprid. Then next question. Following is the insecticide which is having fumigant and penetrant action. The options are Linden, DDVP, Chloropyrifos and Indosulfan. The correct answer is option number 2. So the DDVP, that means dichlorovinyl dimethyl phosphate, is the insecticide which is having fumigant and penetrant action. Then next question. The following is the effective pathogen on Helicoverpa armigera. The options are Rickettsia, Bacillus populae, nuclear polyhedral virus and none of the above. The correct answer is option number 3. So the nuclear polyhedral virus is the effective pathogen on Helicoverpa armigera. The next question. Use of light traps for the management of pest is an example of. The options are culture control, mechanical method of control, legal method of control and biological control. The correct answer is option number 2. So the use of light traps for the management of pest is an example of mechanical method of control. The next question. The most widely used bacterium in insect control is, the options are Fusarium species, Bacillus populae, Bacillus cereus and Bacillus thuringiensis. The correct answer is option number 4. So the most widely used bacterium in insect control is Bacillus thuringiensis. The next question. Use of resistant varieties in the IPM, that means integrated pest management of insect, is an example of. The options are legal control, cultural control, chemical control and biological control. The correct answer is option number 2. So the use of resistant varieties in the IPM of insect is an example of cultural control. The next question. Which one of the following is the example of insect hormone? The options are linden, isidazole, chitin and alethrine. The correct answer is option number 2. So the isidazole is the example of insect hormone. The next. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.